Extracts from this tree are used to improve the black dyeing of cotton cloth. What an amazing tree it is! Introducing Taluto, Pterosymbium tinctorium of the family Stercoliaceae. The genus Pterosymbium is a contraction of two Greek words, pteron meaning wings and symbos meaning cavity, referring to the ovaries. The species name Tinctorium or tinctorial is the Latin term for dyeing or staining. Taluto is a large, fast-growing deciduous tree that prefers full sun exposure for optimal growth. The wood of Taluto is light and very soft, hence it is only used to manufacture minor products. The fiber obtained from the bark is used to make ropes. Extracts from this plant are used to improve the black dyeing of cotton cloth. The bark and fruits of Taluto are said to be poisonous. Taluto plays a crucial role in its ecosystem, providing shelter and food for the variety of wildlife supports the biodiversity of the regions it inhabits. Birds, bees, and other pollinators flock to its flowers, making it an essential species for maintaining healthy populations within local ecosystems. Additionally, the plant's root system stabilizes soil, preventing erosion and supporting the overall health of the forest floor. This is Max. Caring for the environment is not only a choice but a responsibility. Our efforts, even if small when combined, can make life for a better future. Thank you and God bless.